everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we are going to learn how to interact at the doctor. Also, we'll show you some useful phrases and vocabulary. You can find a link in the description where you can download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! First, in order to visit the doctor, lekár alebo lekárka, you as a potential patient, pacient alebo pacientka, need to express your choroby, sickness or illnesses, or symptoms, symptom. For this, you might say som chorá alebo chorý, I am sick, I have a fever, mám horúčku, I have temperature, mám teplotu, I have a runny nose, mám nádchu, I have an allergy, mám alergiu, I have a cough, mám kašel, I have diarrhea, mám hnačku, I have nausea, mám náuzeu, I have a burn, mám popáleninu. You can use the expression bolí me plus the part of the body to express the pain in a specific part of your body. Then, bolí ma hlava, I have a headache, bolí ma brucho, I have a stomach ache, bolí ma chrbát, I have a back pain, bolí ma zub, I have a toothache. The same verb can be used for other persons like this. Bolí ťa hlava, you have a headache. Bolí ho hlava, he has a headache. Bolí ju hlava, she has a headache. Bolí nás hlava, we have a headache. Bolí vás hlava, you, plural, have a headache. Bolí ich hlava, they have a headache. Other useful vocabulary is medication, liek, diagnosis, diagnóza, prescription, recept, X-ray, röntgen. In order to make an appointment, termín, let's check the small dialogue. Hello, I would like to make an appointment. Dobrý deň, chcela by som si dohodnúť termín. What's your name? Ako sa voláte? My name is Andrea Vargová. Volám sa Andrea Vargová. What's the reason to see the doctor? Aký je dôvod návštevy lekára? I am not feeling well. I have a fever and cough. Necítim sa dobre. Mám horúčku a kašel. The doctor is available tomorrow at 10 a.m. Lekár je k dispozícii zajtra o 10:00. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Ďakujem veľmi pekne. Uvidíme sa zajtra. At the doctor's office, a regular dialogue would be like this. Hello, Ms. Vargová. How are you feeling today? Dobrý deň, pani Vargová. Ako sa dnes cítite? I am feeling bad. I have a fever, cough, and today also runny nose. Cítim sa zle, mám horúčku, kašel a dnes aj nádchu. How long have you had the symptoms? Ako dlho máte tieto príznaky? For 4 days. Už 4 dni. Do you have other symptoms? Máte aj iné príznaky? Yes, I have a headache. Áno, bolí ma hlava. OK, let me examine you. Dobre, nechajte ma vás vyšetriť. I will give you a prescription for an antibiotic. Dám vám recept na antibiotikum. How often should I take it? Ako často ho mám užívať? 3 times a day for 7 days. 3-krát denne počas 7 dní. Thank you, doctor. Ďakujem, pán doktor. In the prescription, the doctor could include these types of treatments, or liečba. Pills, pilulky, tablets, tabletky, syrup, sirup, a shot or injection, injekcia. Try now to practice translating these phrases. I would like to make an appointment. Chcel by som si dohodnúť termín. I have a headache. Bolí ma hlava. I have a temperature. Mám teplotu. I don't feel very well. I am sick. Necítim sa dobre. Som chorá. Nicely done! We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you are interested in learning the Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!